bouncing high all through the day. C for cat with a soft fur coat, she loves milk and she loves to float. D for dog, loyal and true, he guards the house for me and you. E for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk so very long. F for fish, in water deep, swim and splash, then softly sleep. G for goat, on the hill so high, munching grass beneath the sky. H for hat, on your head it sits, keeps you cool and really fits. I for ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy treat that's hard to beat. J for jug, J for jug, full of juice, pour it out for your own use. K for kite, flying high, up and up into the sky. L for lion, king so proud his mighty roar is very loud. M for monkey, funny and quick, he jumps and plays a clever trick. N for nest, in a tall green tree, home for birds, safe and free. O for owl with eyes so wide, he hunts at night and loves to hide. P for parrot, green and bright, talking words with great delight. Q for queen with a golden crown, smiling sweetly in her gown. R for rabbit, soft and white, hops around with pure delight. S for sun, shining bright, gives us warmth and golden light. T for tree, tall and green, gives us shade, what a scene. U for umbrella, open it wide, keeps us dry when we go outside. V for van, big and blue, takes us places me and you. W for watch, tick-tock sound, tells us time all year round. X for xylophone, play and sing,